Hey, what up guys? How's it going? Something kind of cool here. Just got in the mail. Haven't even opened it yet. This is the Jeda wireless pad version 2. I did an unboxing and video of the version 1. If you want to see that video, it's in the link below. If you want to go ahead and buy this, there's a link in the description as well. Now this is the version 2. It supports 7.5 or 15 watts charging. Yeah, it's more simplistic and clean, more in lines with the Model 3, the way the interior is. I remember the version 1 had like lines in it and stuff like that on the mat where it charges. This one's just simple. It's black and there's a lip on the bottom, and yeah, looks pretty cool. Also, you can now charge in vertical or landscape, entirely up to you, but I like that they added that. So it's a quick 4-minute install. We'll go down in the garage, we'll go to Pegasus, which is my white Model 3, and do a simple quick install so you can see how it goes. For those of you that don't know, the Tesla Model 3 does not come with wireless charging. So Jeda Wireless came up with a great solution, and now you have it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. We'll unbox it, look at it, and we'll do a simple quick install. All right guys, laters. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Anywhere in the United States, you'll get priority shipping, which means you'll have it in 2 to 3 days max. All right, and here it is. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's look at the back. Jeda wireless pad, Tesla Model 3 wireless phone charger. Okay, let's see what goodies we have. All right, so this looks nice. Right off the bat, I'm noticing these feet. And if I'm not mistaken, once you remove the rubber pad in the Model 3, there are little circle holes where this will just snap in perfectly. So to me, it doesn't look like the wireless pad will move at all. It's nice, has some good weight to it. And yeah, as you can see, there's a lightning bolt there, and here. So it looks like the coils are in these 3 places. So it lets you charge 2 phones, and then you could turn it sideways for landscape mode. Now right here are the ports if you want to do wired mode, and then you'll need to get a spacer to put that in the Model 3. You know where the lip is, where it sits on, and then you'll be good there. But I'm loving the design. Like I said, the old one, the version 2, had these lines in here, and it called more attention to the wireless pad. This one does not. It's more sleek, modern looking, and like I said, minimalistic, more in line with the Model 3. And here are your 2 micro USB cables that you'll go ahead and just plug in here, and then plug these into 2 of the empty ports in your Model 3. All right, and they have right here some installation instructions for you, just in case. But let's go down to the car and go ahead and do it. All right, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and install this in Pegasus. I know he'll be happy. Okay, so here we are in my Model 3. Now, what I went ahead and did was take out the version 1, put everything back normal, just in case some of you want to see the install, what it's like coming from the car's setup originally. So, easy to do. So we'll go ahead and open this, and then I'll go ahead and slide this off to the left, and that'll expose this down here. After I remove this, now you see these 4 indentions here? That's gonna line up perfectly with this right here on the back of the Jeda wireless pad. And that'll keep it from shifting or moving around while you're driving. So, actually very well thought out. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these cords that I had here. Now most of you probably only have 1, but I had 2, but I want you guys to see what it looks like if you had 2. Go ahead and remove these. Now, if you're wondering, I do have a multi USB splitter here. I have one to record my Sentry mode footage and Tesla cams while driving, and another one 128 gigabyte one I use for music. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the Jeda wireless pad, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the 2 micro USBs here that were supplied with the unit. Okay, so as you can see, I already have one in, and then yeah, it's simple to do. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and just run these 2 micro USBs right on down in there. So putting it in. Now something that makes it a little easier is before you put it in and lock everything back in, go ahead and plug in the USB plugs now while you have it like this. And I have one on the back of here. Okay. And then put it in where it's nice and secure and locked in. Because if you put it all the way in and then try to do it, the pad is a little thick and it doesn't allow this to raise all the way up. So, go ahead and put this in. All right, and we're rocking and rolling. It's that simple. So, put it there, and that's what it looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. Let me put my phone here, and let's see if it charges. And it does. I don't know if you can see that, but the battery logo you see in the upper right hand corner. Let's try the right hand side. And as you can see, same thing there, the battery, and you see the battery logo on the upper right. Let's try landscape. As you can see, it's working there. You see the charging logo in the upper right hand. So that's perfect if you want to use Waze or Google Maps or anything like that while you're driving. You could put it that way and it'd still be charging. Okay, you guys, that's it. We're all done. Simple installation. It only takes you a couple minutes, $99. The link is in the description. And it seems like Jeda has listened to the customers from the first generation. This is a vast, vast improvement over the last one. Love the landscape mode if you're using Google Maps, Waze, anything like that. In landscape mode, you can still charge wirelessly. Not to mention, it's great for your passenger and yourself, charging on both sides. But that's it. We're all done. And thanks, guys. Laters.